Hello and good evening. Here's Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Thursday, the 30th of September. Last day in the month, last day in the quarter, and I'm starting off with the S&P 500 once again because the S&P is down a little bit over 1%. Now again, big deal. We're used to 1% moves in the crypto market. So it's a big deal when we have a $30 trillion asset losing 1% of its value, as we do today. Now, normally this would cause a lot of spillover to other financial markets. However, maybe this is already taken care of. Maybe this is already taking place because as we look at the crypto markets, we're heading up today, which I'm a little surprised by, but I'm not going to complain. Again, we're in this consolidation zone. If we break out above 45 and break this descending trend line on BTC versus the US dollar, that's all good. We're seeing the same thing happening in Ethereum and pretty much every other major asset. Some are doing stronger than others today. Most of the assets that are just coming off the bottom of a move are seeing the stronger moves today because bargain hunters and so forth. Again, like Dash coming off the very bottom of the move is up 7, almost 8% today, whereas coins that are near the top of their move are not up so much either case. So this is definitely a strange time. We have markets across the world right now, very, very nervous. And a lot of this comes with this whole debt ceiling debate, which the US is going on right now, which is probably going to get solved by next week, but right now is causing a huge disturbance because the last time that we saw this was the end of 2018. And we did have a little mini crash because of that when you don't fund the government. So the longer that crypto stays relevant and the longer that it's out there and the more attention that it gets, the more it is going to be viewed as just another risk asset, even though we'd like to romantically think that this is going to be the hedge against a crashing dollar, those kind of things. So watch these zones this weekend. Let's zoom in on these. Again, if we can see BTC break above this level here, it's kind of a tall order. There's probably a lot of overhead supply up in this area, but if it can break back above the 200-day moving average, I don't know if that's going to be an obstacle or not. We do have the golden cross to the upside at this point for what it matters. But right now, breaking above 45,000 is going to be extremely strong if it does that. Otherwise, staying within the range over the weekend is more than likely what we're going to see. Folks, that is it for today's report. I'll be back on Sunday morning with your weekend edition. Take care and have a good weekend.